Okay guys, here we go. As promised, my setup before I go kayaking. So the old bread basket there. Got a milk basket in there with the few rod holders got in there. Aluminium bar goes through there, and I've also attached the pole for the outriggers. Inside here though, they've got another aluminium bar to give it a bit of support, and also the lugs that come out actually go into the milk crate here to stop this here from twisting. Do you know what I mean? Because it can twist under load with the outboard. Okay, hold on, bear with me. So basically, luckily enough, it fits bang on. So I've got my ratchet going through the scupplers. You see that fits pretty damn close there. And then you do your ratchet up. Hold on a minute. Hoping you can see this. I'll ratchet up, put it through there as much as you can. About there. Give her a ratchet. Not too much, just to hold her in. You don't want to. There you go, that's solid enough now. Flotation from this side. Just smashes onto that. This one I go around. Get that one in there. Like that. I'll go around this. Go around this again and onto there. So that stops that from sliding that way. Yeah. So over this side, guys. This one's already onto that, pushing against that. So that go onto there. Before I do that, I'll put the outboard on. They're all single-handed, look. How easy is this? There you go guys, the outboard's on. Tighten it down a bit. Another bungee which goes onto this one, stops that sliding out. You can see they're all attached, and that's it really. So let's have a go at firing this bad boy up. Make sure the air bubbles are gone. A little bit. See if it goes. A bit more. Choke off. Running from cold. Job's a good one.